You start implementing this, you will see a massive shift in your conflict with your staff and with your parents that you deal with, because when you do this, they feel heard, they feel seen. Ah, she gets it. Ah, she was listening. Not agreeing, but I see you and I get it. Kids do well if they want to, or kids do well if they can? Kids do well if they can. I think sometimes we get hooked into thinking their behavior they're choosing, and they're being a little brat, or they're not listening on purpose, or I know that they can try and they're just not trying, they're not applying themselves. And everyone, this is everyone. You do well if you can, and you do your best in that particular moment. And you might be saying, yeah, but I know that that's not her best. I know she can do better. Not in that moment. In that moment, that was her best. Even if it's horrendous behavior, in that moment, that was her best. We're all doing our best in that moment. Robot from Texas is another great way to get compliance of like it's time to come in or whatever. Be playful. Kids respond so much better to playfulness than serious. Get inside, right? So and this is another strategy I tell parents and that they report back to me works, is do something silly and out of character for you. So become a robot. We have 30 seconds to get inside, 29, 28, 27, and they're like, oh, this is fun. And they, again, get off their fixation, right? And then use an accent. Say, come on, y'all, it's time to come inside. We got to do our next thing. Come on in. And they just go, why is she talking like that? And it's the dumbest stuff, but these little things you can do to really help kids switch gears and get compliance.